To me, everything is a story. And so to be approached by OPPO, for instance, to write about communication or a phone, ultimately it always ends up being about how do we get closer. The elegance of the design automatically leads you to something that makes you want to do something which is positive. I hear colors. The frequency of the light in the visuals becomes the frequency of the sound in the music. I want the ringtone to open a door that says there's the possibility to feel something. Our whole world changed because of the pandemic, and it changed in one very fundamental way. The idea of physical contact has disappeared. I felt somehow it was my duty as a musician to figure out how to replace a little bit of that spirit that comes from one heart over to the other heart. The only way you can do music is by connecting notes, and those notes connect to musicians, and musicians connect to an audience, and suddenly you have a form of communication that you've never had before. That's exactly what these phones are doing these days. They connect us.